Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of the US stock market, zooming in on the iconic S&P 500. So, if you don't want to miss any of these incredible updates, keep watching the video. A surprising competitor in the US car market. Speaking of market dynamics, Tesla has usually been leading the way. Still surprisingly, another US car manufacturer is challenging Tesla's dominance. This could lead to future price cuts for the US Model S. As for the Cybertruck, its debut is approaching and there's been increased exposure recently. Let's take a look at it together for the first time. The front part of the Frunk appears smaller than anticipated and it's uncertain if it meets your expectations. Unpacking the impact on Tesla's stock. There's been a major change in key personnel, which can often lead to unpredictable short-term stock fluctuations. The sudden departure of CFO Zachary Kirkhorn, who has been with Tesla for over 13 years, has left many questions unanswered. He played a crucial role in Tesla's success and worked closely alongside Musk, although his successor, accounting director Taneja, is relatively unfamiliar. His ownership of Tesla stock, worth over $26 million, reflects his belief in the company's future. Kirkhorn's exit and Taneja's arrival. Despite the significant transition, Kirkhorn will remain at Tesla until the end of the year to ensure a smooth transition. While change can lead to uncertainty, it's important to remember that sometimes leaks occur before the storm. Signals from social media and MRI. Shifting gears to Musk, who's been actively engaging on social media recently, he announced a live arena match with Zuckerberg with proceeds going to charity. However, in an unexpected turn of events, he tweeted about a neck issue and an MRI of his upper back, hinting at the possibility of surgery before the scheduled match. While the exact cause remains unclear, the MRI could detect anything from common nerve compression to more serious concerns like a tumor. Musk's intense work ethic, often exceeding 100 hours a week, is well known, and his health challenges might be attributed to his demanding lifestyle. Prioritizing health and investment. Considering your health is a crucial aspect that investors should also monitor, it's hoped that the latest developments reveal no major concerns. When discussing the competition between him and Zuckerberg, the view held is that it's secondary, a focus on advancing Tesla's development despite unexpected situations like these is desirable. As mentioned earlier, short-term stock fluctuations are influenced by unpredictable factors, making them challenging to predict unless you possess insider knowledge of Tesla. Regarding news impact, it remains uncertain until officially released. Tesla faces new challenger in pricing war. Moving on, discussing the recent electric vehicle price war, Tesla has usually taken the lead. Surprisingly, another US car maker has countered, specifically targeting Tesla's Model S. Lucid, known for its high-end luxury approach, has slashed prices significantly, making its Lucid Air Pure model $6,000 cheaper than the Model S. Although it may impact Tesla slightly, the Model S and X now constitute a mere 4% of total deliveries, minimizing the potential effect. Frunk details an upcoming debut. Shifting focus, as the Tesla Cybertruck's delivery date nears, more images are surfacing. Recently, the front trunk space, or Frunk, was revealed, albeit with subpar image quality. Nonetheless, it's clear that the Cybertruck's frunk is slightly smaller than the F-150 but larger than the Rivian R1 TS. A spacious frunk is valuable for trucks, offering a secure storage area, especially in areas with high break-in rates. While the actual dimensions remain uncertain, you'll be updated upon the Cybertruck's release. Cybertruck's dimensions in comparison with Model Y. Furthermore, a rare aerial shot provides a size comparison between the Cybertruck and the parked Model Y. The Cybertruck's length exceeds that of the Model Y, but its overall size appears slightly smaller than previously observed. The size seems more manageable, particularly when dealing with crowded parking lots. exploring tax rebates and used car benefits. In a promising development, you could potentially acquire an affordable Tesla through the Inflation Reduction Act. Even when purchasing a used Tesla, you might be eligible for a $4,000 tax rebate if the car is over 2 years old and priced below $25,000. However, qualification also depends on your personal or family income, making it a smart option if you find new car loans burdensome. The true cost of car ownership. When acquiring a car, remember to consider the overall cost rather than just the monthly payment. Longer loan terms might reduce monthly payments but significantly increase interest payments. Consequently, it's advisable to evaluate the total cost before making a decision. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the incredible updates of Tesla models. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Techbros for more content such as this.